Think and talk. What character traits do you think made Ethel good at her job? If you're at home, you can turn and talk with someone who's there with you, or you can write your answer in your composition notebook. Those of you in the classroom, I'm going to give you the next 30 seconds to answer this question. Go. Okay, let's go ahead and wrap up our conversation in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In your reading composition notebook, you are going to answer the following question. How did Ethel use her career as a reporter and journalist to help the Black community? I'm going to give you 3 minutes to answer this question before we move on. All right, we're going to go ahead and move on. On this slide, you are going to answer the following questions. 1, what was Ethel's childhood like? 2, what are some of the things Ethel did to help her community? 3, what did Ethel write about when she was in Japan? 4, why was Ethel's job as a White House reporter so important? And 5, what types of things did Ethel report on outside the White House?